Today we will be showing you how to make homemade ice cream in just a few steps.
To make this delicious ice cream, you will need small plastic bags, large plastic bags, ice cubes half and half, ice cream salt, vanilla extract, sugar, and your choice of topping.
First thing you need to do is mix 1 cup of half and half,
half a teaspoon of vanilla extract,
two tablespoons of sugar in the small plastic bag,
next fill a large plastic bag half full with ice and add a half cup of ice cream salt into the large plastic bag. After you have done these steps, place the small bag into the large bag, making sure it's completely sealed first. And then again, making sure the large plastic bag is completely sealed.
Finally, you will shake the bag until it becomes your desired thickness. Once you've done that, you'll take the small plastic bag out of the big plastic bag, and you can top the ice cream off with your favorite toppings.
That's how you can have fun making delicious ice cream at home.